Hey guys, welcome. So I want to show you a good way, a optimized way of using try catch in your Node.js application. So instead of using try catch like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, you can see they are just everywhere in my controller logic. So I want to show you a good way to use it. So first, we need to create an IODA function that takes in a function as a parameter and then returns a new anonymous function. This function returns a new anonymous function that takes in three arguments, which is the request, response, and the next function objects. Then we write our try catch. Then in the try aspect, we call the function that was passed as an argument here, and then pass in our three parameters here. And in the catch aspect, we call our next function and then pass in the error objects. So that's all, guys. So how do we use this? We use this in our route. So in my case, I'll be using user route. And for this tutorial, I'm using class-based programming, which is the same thing as object-oriented programming. So this is my user route. These are all the properties I need. This is my constructor, and this is my initial route. So you can see this is the router, this is the path, and this is the middleware with the IORDER function. Then this is the function that I want to execute in my controller. You can see get students function in my controller, and this other part is just making sure that it refers to the user controller. You can see it another place too. You can see it here. This is the middleware with the IORDER function. This is the middleware with the IORDER function. So you can see it's reusable in every way in my route. So just to make sure I show you that I'm not using try catch in my controller. Okay. This is a long function. You can see this a function. You can see I'm not using try catch. I'm just checking the student length, and in this other function, so you can see I'm just checking the teachers, if the teacher exists or not. You can see I'm not using any try catch. And guys, don't forget that if you're using this method, you need to create an error handler middleware, which is in this case I named it handle errors. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this one already, so you can see it. Just return a response with the error code 500 and then passing everything. Then where we use this is our starting point of our Node.js application. So you can see I'm using it here. And once again, I'm using class-based programming, which is still the same thing as object-oriented programming. So that is it, guys. That's how we use try catch in our Node.js application. If you have any question, just let me know on the comments below. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.